Where to find the sound equalizer settings on your Motorola phone with Android 15. To check and see if your Motorola phone has this feature, use the quick access twice. Go into the settings option found to the bottom right over here. And when you go into it, you want to go into the part that says sound and vibration right here, this option here. Okay, so not all Motorola phones will have this, but you can check here. And when you're here, you're going to look for either sound effects, the word audio effects, or Dolby Atmos. So different Motorola phones will have it named differently. So it's best to look for it like this. So if you see it, Dolby Atmos here, you go into it. It's going to either be called audio effects or sound effects. And then you'll tap on that setting option right here. And once you do this here, you'll see these different options, but you want to go past all this and look for the custom option. So select it. Tap on the pencil icon right here. You'll see this pencil icon right there. And by doing so, you will see the equalizer setting. And you can choose presets like these here that will allow you to adjust them automatically. And you can see that it's going to give you these here. And then switching it back to the manual, give you the 10 bands in which you can customize. And if you know how to use these, get the best sound available for your Motorola phone. Like and sub.